Your muscles are not just pieces of tissue, they are living, adapting machines. But here's the question: what exactly happens inside your body that makes muscles grow bigger and stronger after a workout? The answer is far more fascinating than just lifting weights. Muscle growth, scientifically called hypertrophy, isn't about creating new muscle fibers. Instead, it's about enlarging the ones you already have. Every time you challenge your muscles with resistance, whether it's pushing, pulling, or lifting, you send a powerful signal to your body: adapt or get left behind. Researchers have discovered that 3 main triggers ignite muscle growth. First, mechanical tension. Imagine the heavy strain you feel when you lift a weight. This tension tells your body that your muscles must become stronger. Second, muscle damage. Those tiny micro tears you don't feel immediately, they are actually the spark for repair and growth. And third, metabolic stress, the burning sensation, the pump, the buildup of lactic acid. Far from being just discomfort, it's your muscles screaming for adaptation. After the workout, the real magic begins. Your body activates satellite cells, tiny repair units that fuse with muscle fibers, patching them up and making them thicker and stronger. Meanwhile, protein synthesis ramps up. Hormones like testosterone and growth factors do their job, and slowly, the muscle fibers expand. This process is why rest and proper nutrition aren't optional. They are the foundation of growth. There are even 2 distinct kinds of hypertrophy: myofibrillar hypertrophy, which increases the density and strength of the fibers themselves, and sarcoplasmic hypertrophy, which boosts the fluid and energy stores within the muscle, giving it that fuller, pumped appearance. Strength athletes often chase the first, bodybuilders often pursue the second, but in truth, both happen when you train consistently. Here's the part most people overlook. Growth doesn't happen in one workout or even one week. It happens over months and years of progressive overload, adding a little more weight, a few more reps, or simply challenging your muscles beyond their comfort zone. Each small push builds upon the last, layer by layer. So the next time you see bigger biceps, stronger legs, or a more powerful physique, remember, it's not just the hours in the gym that made it happen. It's biology, adaptation, and the incredible resilience of your own body. Muscles grow because they are designed to rise to the challenge.